manipulated or overwhelmed by certain individuals in your life, then this is the video for you. So grab your favorite beverages, sit back, and let's dive into the video. Before we start, do not forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a constructive comment because I like to read your comments. It helps me to bring out content like this. The boundaries are like superhero cape that protects your mental and emotional well-being. Boundaries help us define what is acceptable and what is not in our relationship, be it family, friends, or colleagues. Here are 5 tips to help you become a boss at setting boundaries and safeguarding your sanity. Number 1 is self-awareness. It's crucial to know yourself, your needs, and your limits. Take some time to reflect on how certain people or situation makes you feel. Adjust specific behaviors that drain your energy or makes you uncomfortable. Identifying these triggers will give you a clear understanding of the boundaries you need to set. Number 2 is communicate clearly. Once you are aware of your boundaries, it's time to communicate them effectively. Don't miss word. Communicate them effectively. Choose a calm and assertive approach when expressing your needs. Be specific and direct. Make sure you tell them exactly what you don't like that they are doing. Remember, setting boundaries is not about blaming others. It's actually about taking care of yourself. So guys, number 3 point is consistency is key. Boundaries won't hold except you enforce them consistently and efficiently. If you get what I mean. You have to be prepared for potential pushback and attempt to test your boundaries, because some persons will test your boundaries. They want to know if you mean that those things you are telling them. So you have to be prepared for such kind of pushbacks. So you have to stay firm and assertive, making sure you are reinforcing that boundary. You are reinforcing that particular thing that you don't want them to do. You have to keep on reinforcing it. You have to keep on saying it to them, consistently telling them that I don't like this, I don't want this. Over time, people will learn to respect your boundaries eventually, and the toxic ones may even distance themselves from your life, which is actually what we want. We don't want negative vibe around us. Number 4 is to practice self-care, because setting boundaries actually means prioritizing your own well-being. Take time for self-care activities that recharge your energy and restore your inner balance. You can go to the spa, you can go to events, you can just unwind and refresh yourself. So find what you love doing, find that thing that uplifts your soul, and make it a routine. Make it something that you do, if not every time, but maybe once a month, twice a month. It helps you with your self-care. And finally, our number 5 is to seek support sometimes. You cannot do it alone. You cannot be trying to build a boundary or protect your boundaries from toxic people when you don't seek support from people. Protecting your sanity from toxic people can actually be challenging, and that is okay. You're not doing something wrong. You're only trying to be mentally stable. So because so many people's negative vibe or toxic nature can make somebody that is okay to not be okay. So in this aspect of you needing support, you can reach out to your family members, reach out to your friends, or to even a professional person, maybe like a therapist or somebody that can actually help you, counsel you on how to deal with those toxic kind of people. Surround yourself with supportive people and people that are positive in their mind. People that have positive thinking can actually help you with the guidance and the counseling you need during difficult times. So far, we've actually had it all on boundaries like a boss, protecting your sanity from toxic people. You guys, at this point, I made this video because I noticed that there are some people that doesn't know how to respect people's boundaries. So I feel like this video is relatable to so many of us that are going through one particular boundary infringement, if there's any word like that. Setting boundaries is not selfish. It's just an act of self-respect and self-preservation. So if you're setting boundaries, you're doing it for yourself, your sanity, your mental health. You actually deserve to be surrounded by people who uplift you, people who give you positive vibe, and not the people that the moment they leave, they've drained you, you are feeling bad, you're feeling all emotional. And that is why I am all for good vibes. If you have negative vibe, keep it one side. So go out there and be a boss at setting boundaries. So if you found this video helpful and insightful, informational and educating, please do well to join the family, turn on your post notification, give this video a thumbs up. Also let me know in the comment section how you handle toxic people or how you've handled them in the past, and tell me the strategies that worked for you. I also want to learn as well, and I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic. So I'm going to see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.